Italian coffee with chocolate. Ingredients: 2 cup hot strong coffee, 2 cup hot traditional cocoa, whipped cream, grated orange peel. Instructions: combine coffee and cocoa. Start by preparing the coffee. Brew 1/2 cup of coffee for each serving, making a total of 2 cups of coffee for 4 mugs. Similarly, measure out 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. In each of the 4 mugs, combine 1/2 cup of brewed coffee with 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Stir well to ensure that the coffee and cocoa are thoroughly mixed together, creating a rich and flavorful base for your drink. Top with whipped cream. Once the coffee and cocoa mixture is ready in each mug, it's time to add a decadent topping of whipped cream. Use either store-bought whipped cream or make your own by whipping heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. Carefully spoon a generous dollop of whipped cream onto the surface of each mug, creating a creamy layer that will add a luxurious texture to the drink. Sprinkle with orange peel. To elevate the flavors and add a burst of citrusy freshness to the drink, sprinkle each mug with finely grated or thinly sliced orange peel. The vibrant orange zest will complement the rich flavors of the coffee and cocoa, adding a delightful twist to the beverage. Serve and enjoy. Your coffee and cocoa creation is now complete. Serve the mugs to your guests or enjoy them yourself. Sip slowly and savor the delicious combination of coffee, cocoa, whipped cream, and orange zest. It's a delightful treat that's perfect for cozy evenings or special occasions.